Okay, so today we'll be doing suspension on this. Okay, um, right now suspension's really bad, very bouncy. Yeah, it's not supposed to continue bouncing like that. Yeah, it's just pretty poor, and it makes a bunch of noise. Every bump you go over, it makes a noise. Yeah, so I'm gonna be replacing the struts, and I'm gonna be putting some lowering springs on it that I got. Yeah. All right, so got the car jacked up, the wheel off, and upon inspection, it looks like those guys need replacing. There's something wrong with my CV axle with all that grease there. My brakes don't look too bad. Yeah, so I guess that's something else on the list of things needing to be replaced. But yeah, I'll update you guys through when I get this off. Alright, so got the strut out and thing. Took off the bolts and up here. Struts right here, and this strut is so like messed up and definitely needs replacing, so I'm glad I'm replacing them now. So yeah, that's my progress on it. Now I need to do the scary part, which is compress these springs, which I really don't want to do, but you kind of have to, so yeah. Alright, I got the strut apart. Took off the spring there. Here's the strut stuff. Look how blown these are. Like, first of all, I'm not supposed to push them up down that easily, and they barely come back up. That's as much as it comes back up. So yeah, these are definitely pretty blown. So I gotta take out the inner, and just by the looks of that, it doesn't look like it's gonna be easy at all. So yeah, I'm gonna just take off the spring off the second one and see what I can do while I'm at it. Yeah. So I took out the inner of the old strut, and here's a new strut here, the tokicos gas strut. Okay, these are actually for ES300, but it also fit on the 92 and 93 Toyota Camry. Yeah, so let's go down in there, take off the big nut. The big nut was kind of annoying to take off, but I got it off, so yeah. Next day. So far, I have the strut together, and then I have to do the second one. But if I can find it, where is it? One of the where is it? Okay, this one, the what do you call it? Lower strut insulator here has a hole in it. So I waited till today to call places to see if they have them. And no auto store, I called like 4 different ones. No auto store has them, and one of them, so it takes 6 to 8 weeks to get it to come here. And Rock Auto has them, but it will take like a few weeks to come. So I'm just gonna have to order those, and then I'll just put them on as it is, order those and put them on later on. Kind of sucks, but you know, it has to be done, and the car needs to get off his jack stands because I can't have it like that all the time. So yeah. That's what's up. Alright, so I got this strut in. Front right strut in. I'm gonna need new axles, definitely. But I'm not doing that right now, so yeah. So far, I got the fronts on, and then now I'm doing the rear. Yeah, I gotta take these off. Take out the strut from there. Yeah, that's my progress so far. So far I got both of the struts put in together, but one problem I noticed is the spring is actually a little bit like too small for this. And I read online that it's like, well, some people say it's not supposed to be like, some people say it's fine. But an issue what I know how to run into is that every time I like jack up the rear of the car, it's gonna come out. So I just zip tied it down to hold it, just so that every time I jack up the car, it doesn't fall apart, you know, or doesn't, like, the spring doesn't fall out of the seat. But yeah, I'm gonna install these. Hopefully it works. And yeah. Alright, so got the rears on. Just put it on the ground. That's where it sits. First thing I noticed is The rear sits a lot lower than the front, which kind of bugs me. And I did put the right ones on, so I don't know what happened there. But yeah, the rears do sit lower than the fronts, which bugs me a little, but I'll get used to it. Car is like lower, like I'm happy with where it is. I mean, hopefully the front's still set or something, I don't know, but yeah, that's where it sits. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna end the video here because it's kind of getting long. Yeah, thanks for watching, and just kind of make sure you like and subscribe and all that stuff to, look at more of my videos if you like them. I'm gonna be painting the rim. I don't know what color, but probably it's gonna be black, most likely. Yeah, other things to come later this week. Can I? Oh wait, she can just barely fit in there.